Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. You know what's fun? Well, not fun exactly, but important: insurance. Okay, I know, not the most exciting topic. But it's one of those things we all need, right? Like good Wi-Fi and a really comfy pair of sweatpants. So, if you've ever felt like you're drowning in insurance jargon, deductibles, premiums, what's a comprehensive anyway? Trust me, you are not alone. We've all been there. That's why we're going to break it all down, nice and easy, so you can find the perfect policy for you. We'll walk you through all the key factors, from what's actually covered, because nobody likes a surprise when it's time to make a claim, to understanding how those pesky premiums work. Are you ready? Let's do it. First things first, folks. Let's talk coverage. This is where it gets real. You might think you're covered for everything but the kitchen sink, but you gotta read the fine print. You know how those contracts always have the teeny tiny writing? Insurance policies can be like that too. We're talking about what the insurance actually protects you against. Is it your car, your house, your health, your prize-winning collection of rubber ducks? Okay, maybe not the last one, but you get the idea. Every policy has specific things it covers, and just as important, things it doesn't. Those are called exclusions. For example, your car insurance might not cover you if you decide to enter your car in a demolition derby. Don't do that, by the way. And then there are limitations, like your policy might cover a broken window on your house, but only up to a certain amount. It's all about the details, people. That's why it's so important to read through your policy carefully, or at least the important parts. I know, it can feel like reading a dictionary sometimes. And don't be afraid to ask questions. If you don't understand something, ask your insurance agent or company to explain it. Think of it like ordering coffee. You wouldn't just say coffee and hope for the best, would you? You'd specify what kind, right? Same thing with insurance. The more you know about what's covered, the fewer surprises you'll have later on. And trust me, surprises are only fun when they involve puppies or winning lottery tickets. Insurance surprises? Not so much. Okay, now let's talk money, honey. Specifically, premiums. That's the fancy insurance word for what you pay every month or year to have the policy. Think of it like your insurance subscription fee. Now, how they figure out how much your premium is going to be, well, that's a whole other story. There's a lot that goes into it, kind of like a recipe. First, there's your personal stuff, your age, where you live, your driving record. Be honest, have you ever rolled through a stop sign? I have. Then there's the stuff about what you're insuring, the type of car you drive, the size of your house, even your health history can play a role. And then, just when you thought it couldn't get any more complicated, they throw in things like the overall economy and natural disasters. It's a lot to juggle, right? But don't worry, you don't have to become a math whiz to figure it all out. The most important thing is to shop around and compare quotes from different insurance companies. It's like trying on shoes. You wouldn't just buy the first pair you see, right? You'd try a few on to find the best fit. Don't be afraid to negotiate either. Sometimes you can get a better price just by asking. The worst they can say is no, and hey, even then you're no worse off than when you started. Chapter 3. Making a claim: what to expect when you need help. Okay, so you've got your policy, you've been paying your premiums like a responsible adult, and then, bam, life throws you a curveball. You get into a fender bender, a tree decides to redecorate your living room, or you need unexpected surgery. That's when you need to file a claim. And let's be honest, nobody dreams of filing an insurance claim. It's not exactly on anyone's bucket list. But when you need it, and it's important to know what to expect. First things first, contact your insurance company right away. Don't wait. The sooner you report it, the better. They'll probably ask you a bunch of questions, so have all the important information handy. Your policy number, the date and time of the incident, all that jazz. And take pictures. Lots of pictures. It's like they say, a picture is worth 1,000 words, especially when it comes to insurance claims. Once you've filed your claim, the insurance company will review it and send out an adjuster. That's just a fancy word for an investigator. They'll assess the damage, ask some more questions, and then, hopefully, approve your claim. Now, I know this whole process can seem intimidating, but just remember, that's what you have insurance for. It's there to help you when you need it most. Well, there you have it. Insurance in a nutshell. Or at least a slightly cracked nutshell. I hope this little chat has helped demystify the world of insurance for you. It's really not as scary as it seems, I promise. Just remember to do your research, ask lots of questions, and don't be afraid to shop around for the best deal. You're a smart cookie, you got this. And hey, If you ever have any more questions, you know where to find me. Just kidding, you can't actually call me. But you can leave a comment below, and maybe we'll do another one of these insurance explainer videos. Until then, stay safe out there, everybody.